Good morning, class. Today we're going to learn how to create or generate a works cited page in Microsoft Office Word. So first of all, I want you to gather all of your websites because for this class we're not using books, we're only using websites. So make sure that you know the author's first name and last name, the name of the web page, the year the web page was published, the month, and the date. And in some cases, you may have to know the URL, so make sure you have that information all written down before you begin. Once you have all that information written down, you're going to go to your ribbon, and then you're going to click on the Reference tab. In the Citations and Bibliography group, go to the Styles field and click on the drop-down arrow. Make sure you have MLA 7th edition selected. If not, then if you do not have the MLA 7th edition, it's okay to use the MLA 6th edition. Okay, they are very similar. Click on the icon, Manage Sources. Go to the middle of your box and you will see the button that says New. Click on New. This will generate another box, and what you're going to do is you're going to make sure the type of source is selected, website. Okay, so for the author, you're going to put the author's last name, comma, and the author's first name. If there is no author, you're going to check corporate author. You're going to type in the name of the web page, the year the web page was published, the month, and you need to spell out the month, the day this web page was published. If you do not have that information, or the information is not cited on that website, then do not put in the year, month, and date. Sometimes the year is there, but the month and date aren't, so don't worry about that. The year you access this information, which is this year, the month, and please spell out the month, and the day. And the medium is going to be website. And in your case, you're going to click OK. I'm not going to click OK because I already generated my sources just to save time. So you have to go back to New and make sure all of your sources are generated. Once all of your sources are generated, you should have a master list, and it should look like mine's, with all of your sources, and a current list with all of your sources. And then click the close button. Go back to the Citations and Bibliography group, click on Bibliography, go to Works Cited and click on Works Cited, and Word would create a works cited page for you. Now we have to make sure this works cited page is formatted according to the MLA format. So I'm going to click on my keyboard, Control A, to highlight my works cited page. I'm going to go to my ribbon and click on the Home tab. I'm going to make sure that this document is in Times New Roman, 12-point font. It has no bold, and also that all of my text is black. Click out in the white area to take off the highlight. Works cited needs to be centered. So I'm going to left click my mouse right here by the words works cited, go to my paragraph group and click on the icon center. I also want to make sure that my document is highlighted again because I need to make sure that this document is double spaced. So I'm going to right click my mouse and go down to paragraph. Then I should be on indents and spacing, and in the spacing area go over to line spacing, click the drop down arrow and click double, and make sure that you check do not add space between paragraphs of the same style, and then click OK. Click it out in the white area to take the highlight off, and you have completed this task. Thank you and have a great day.